My dear viewers, very welcome to Free Schooling 24 Hours. Today I'm going to show you natural beauty with different type of blooming flowers. You see, flowers blooming up and also disseminating everlasting tranquility. However, sorry to say, and I don't know name of these maximum flowers. And here, center point of Vijay Khatur Hall under Dhaka University. Okay, I'm zooming up. You see. But sorry to say again, and I don't know name of these flowers in English and also in Bengali. But if you know name of these flowers in English or Bengali, please you can mention by commenting whatever. And here you will see and another type of flowers. Yeah. Everlasting serenity. Actually, I always try to experience this and center point of Vijay Khatur Hall, and it's nearly midnight. Whenever I get free, I try to come here and to also experience how splendid it is indeed. However, as it is midnight and also my phone camera is not good enough, and for this reasons I do not capture the whole fascinating area actually. Whatever, and you were invited to experience this beauty with natural beauty and a different type of blooming flowers, but it is restricted area for a female person, whatever. And when you get free and you if you come, but you will experience from a restricted area, whatever. You are welcome. And okay, today I have to end up, and thank you so much for watching this video.